Hi guys, in front of me is Honor X8 and let me show you how to activate developer panel. At first open the settings, then find and select about phone, and here click on build number 7 times. So it's at the top of the list, tap on it 7 times, then provide your screen lock password. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, from now on you're a developer. So let's go back and enter system and updates. Developer options appeared right here, so click to open, smoothly use everything you need, and then if you want to switch it off, just unmark the stop switcher. And as you can see, developer options disappeared, so if you wish to use it again, you will have to perform the same trick. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.